Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download the iOS 27 Developer Beta 1 on your iPhone. Apple is expected to release the first iOS 27 Developer Beta right after the WWDC 2026 event on June 8th. Now before installing it, keep in mind that the first beta may contain bugs, overheating issues, and battery drain problems. So I do not recommend installing it on your main iPhone. If you still want to try it, here's how to prepare your iPhone. First, open the App Store. Search for the Apple Developer app and install it. Once installed, open the app. Now tap on the account option at the bottom. Then tap on Sign In. Here, select the same Apple ID that is currently signed in on your iPhone. After signing in, restart your iPhone once. This helps refresh the beta settings on your device. Now once Apple officially releases the beta, open Settings. Tap on General, then Software Update. Here, tap on Beta Updates. Now select iOS 27 Developer Beta. Go back and wait a few seconds. You should now see the iOS 27 Beta Update available for download. Tap Download and Install to begin the update. That's it. Your iPhone will now start downloading iOS 27 Developer Beta 1. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS updates and tips.